Welcome to an essential journey into the world of trees, foundational knowledge for any aspiring arborist. Trees are remarkable organisms, defined as woody, long-lived, and compartmentalizing perennials. This means they persist for many years, develop hard woody tissue, and have a unique ability to isolate or compartmentalize areas of injury or infection, rather than healing them like animals do. You'll observe trees with a single, dominant trunk, while others, like many shrubs or certain tree species, might exhibit multiple trunks emerging from the ground. A common misconception is that tree roots grow deep, like a perfect taproot. In reality, the roots of most trees grow predominantly laterally, spreading out wide but often staying within the top 3 feet of the soil. This shallow growth pattern is crucial because the topsoil is where oxygen, water, and essential nutrients are most readily available, creating the perfect environment for root uptake and overall tree health. At the heart of a tree's survival, and indeed most life on Earth, is the incredible process of photosynthesis. This biological marvel is how trees and other green plants create their own food. Using the energy from sunlight, along with water absorbed by their roots and carbon dioxide taken in from the atmosphere through tiny pores in their leaves called stomata, trees perform a chemical transformation. Inside specialized organelles in their leaves called chloroplasts, chlorophyll captures solar energy to convert these raw materials into sugars, which serve as the tree's primary energy source for growth, maintenance, and reproduction. As a vital byproduct of this process, oxygen is released back into the atmosphere, making photosynthesis not just crucial for the tree itself, but for sustaining breathable air for nearly all living organisms on our planet. It's a continuous cycle that underscores the profound interconnectedness of nature. One of the most profound insights into tree biology, and one that revolutionized arboriculture, is the concept of compartmentalization of decay in trees, famously known as CODIT. This groundbreaking theory was pioneered by Dr. Alex Shigo, who taught us that trees don't heal wounds in the way animals do by regenerating tissue. Instead, trees seal off wounds. When a tree is injured, whether by a broken branch, a pruning cut, or mechanical damage, it responds by creating a series of chemical and physical barriers, often referred to as walls. These walls work to contain and isolate the damaged tissue and prevent the spread of decay fungi and other pathogens into healthy wood. Understanding CODIT is absolutely critical for arborists, as it guides proper pruning techniques and wound management, emphasizing that minimizing initial damage and allowing the tree to effectively compartmentalize is key to its long-term health and structural integrity.
So Entrepreneur Academy is a full comprehensive platform that helps you study for the ISA certified arborist. We have a pass guarantee, meaning that if you take this and you take all of the lessons, then we guarantee that you're going to pass. If not, we'll give you your money back. We get to the core of this, which is the study modules. So if we go into tree biology, for example, we're going to be able to look into Introduction to Tree Biology. We'll get a nice breakdown from Chris here. If you get stuck on anything, you can highlight it, for example, and you can explain it like I'm 12. And RBI will hop in there and it will break down this topic for you and really help you understand it. You can also ask follow-up questions. You can ask this to quiz you. And then we also have flashcards. We have 3,000 flashcards for all of the domains. Then we have some practice exams that you're able to take a full, a half or a 50 question mock exam, where kind of in exam conditions you'll be able to see these questions, you'll be able to flag them for review. Then we have a full RBI. This one has access to all of your progress inside of the module. It knows your strengths, it knows your weaknesses. And so you can ask it to, for example, give you a plan on how to study to best prepare for your exam based on how you're performing.
You can access lifetime subscription to the Tree Nerd Academy platform using the link in description. Now moving on. Let's explore another fascinating partnership in the tree world, the symbiotic relationship between fungi and tree roots, known as mycorrhizae. And that wraps up our foundational dive into tree biology, covering everything from their basic structure and root systems to the vital processes of photosynthesis, the tree's unique defense mechanism through CODIT, and the incredible symbiotic world of mycorrhizae. Understanding these core concepts is not just academic, it's essential for effective and responsible arboriculture. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the hidden life of trees. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more Arborist exam prep content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next lesson.